We're very excited to welcome you as the new member of the Santi Marley family. Anong mensahe mo sa kanilang lahat?
I love you too so much. Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, sir, and to the entire Santi family. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your wonderful family. I am just so proud to be here today and to be with all of you. I'm so proud to say na at last, part na ako ng Santi family. And I am very proud of all of you. I am very proud of all of you. The first time that I was able to talk to him, we talked about the kind of people na bahagi ng pamilya nito. And I was just overwhelmed to know that Santi family is a family of breadwinners. Diba, napakarami sa inyo. Alam ko, ginagawa niyo lahat ng ginagawa ninyo ngayon, hindi lang para sa mga sarili ninyo. Dahil ang pangarap ninyo ay hindi lang naman pangarap para sa mga sarili ninyo. Pangarap niyo yan para sa buong pamilya ninyo at sa mga taong mahal na mahal ninyo. And I know all of you are working very hard to achieve your biggest dreams, not just for yourselves, but for the family that you have, for your most loved ones. Diba? Kaya I am very proud of you at ipagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at nawal lahat tayo makaranas ng magandang buhay na deserve natin, na maa-achieve natin mula sa pagpapala ng Diyos at sa hard work na ginagawa niyo at sa oportunidad na meron tayong hinaharap araw-araw. We are very proud of you. More power, God bless you, at magkita-kita tayo sa finals ng masasaya